Guys, Chili Bomb Bro here, and today I'm gonna be recording a video with Yellowman 3, aka Egg.
I'm not recording any it.
Oh.
That's what you get for being a stupid bum. Oh, I died.
Alright.
Stupid bum, you can watch his video and subscribe to mine.
His link will be in the description.
He's done.
I made it.
He's done. It's done.
I made it.
Oh, I'm jumping on the paint. Oh, this is paint. I thought they were wires.
I knew it was paint.
Oh, some girl committed. Oh, oh dear.
Oh.
What's next? Oh, pencils. Oh wait, those are hammers. Oh.
You're better.
You died too, Eddie. Get out my head. Oh. Ah!
You're gonna die.
No, I'm not done. Oh, I want to help that food.
Who?
Like the guy's like, help me. Do you see him?
No.
Do you see him now?
Yeah.
What's he said?
Next we're gonna be playing Escape the Evil Butcher.
I want to get butch stuck into a wiener. And I'll get eaten. Dang it, I died by...
Oh, we're supposed to go around them.
I died by Patrick's head.
You, never mind.
What, I'm a poopy stinker? Get out of my head.
That's what made me die in the first place.
No, you!
We're both really bad at this. Go check out his channel to see him die.
How dare you!
See? You!
See?
That was my fault.
I hear. Oh! You ain't gonna hear any oop from me.
You ain't gonna hear ooh ooh from me. I'm ahead of him, so.
Oh! So loser, you fell? Oh, I was about a caliente call.
I can't jump.
Because you're poopy. Oh, help me. That's messed up. Why are they killing people? Look, I'm juggling on him. Oh, I forgot to get that.
I can't even jump.
YOLO!
There. Finally jumped. I can't even climb a ladder.
Me neither, because I'm fall. I'm going to go backwards. How about that? Let's go. Hurry up, loser. Like this. I thought you died.
I know, I thought you died.
Let's go. Oh, look at the guy. Oh, I feel bad for him. Alright, let's go. Did he die?
Wait, could we touch those black things?
No, I don't think so. Well, I touched them.
And did you die?
Nope. Because about yeet. Oh, says, what do you say? Subscribe to Fat Pap. Subscribe to Yellow Map.
Oh, shout out to Fat Paps.
Oh, yeah. Oh! Look at my face. I'm like smiling. Oh, yeah.
Oh, and also comment down below. Help.
Hashtag help. Rest in peace, workers. Look! When I say rest in peace, worker. Ah!
All he wanted was to put food on the table.
Was to watch free. Oh, can I stand on him? I'm on his head. Never mind.
Look it. Subscribe to Fat Paps.
Subscrito to Fat Paps. To Panton Puppies. Oh, I was about to do it. You went the wrong way, son.
Oh.
Idiot.
Aren't you dead?
Look at this stupid poopy head. Wait there. I'm gonna jump on your head. Looks like you can wait there. Well, I died. My head's stuck on a brick.
I'm really bad at this.
Of course you are. Subscribe to Yellowman 3.
Or subscribe to Yellowman3 aka Egg, all capitalized. Go check out his channel. Link will be in the description.
And Black Gaming on YouTube. Yeah.
Which stage are you on?
Story. Oh! Oh! I'm on 7. Look what I'm looking at. Look what I'm facing at.
What? Oh.
Whoa.
Is that like a real person or just like part of him, like that?
That was like a little thing to scare us.
Or like the thing that says wait and all that?
Well, I think there's like,
Help.
help me or something, you know.
Yeah.
Somebody help me.
If you want a shout out, comment down your name.
Oh, copyright. And I died because of my Hello. You guys just believe in the dead man.
Where is he?
He's right here.
You died?
No, he's sitting and he goes, ow, 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 ah, you knocked me out.
Which one are you on? You're gonna die too.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Oh no! Oh, poopy noobs.
Oh, look it. Shout out to that guy, the one that's
Your name's
the one that can't spell his name,
Oh.
the one that can't walk.
Oh dear.
You can't walk, Joe.
I can. At least my hands are not Lego pieces. I want you to step on that guy's head. Come on, make the sound. I'll shout you out if you make the sound. Oh yeah.
I already did. Oh,
In this try, I'll shout you out if I make it. Alright?
you're gonna die on purpose.
No, I'm not. There we go. Let me jump on your head.
Oh.
I
You
can't
could
now.
jump on my head.
What? Oh, I made it! You get a free shout out. I want a pyramid.
It's a pile of.
Watch out, those are giant saws. Yeah, I have eyes. Oh, and I died using them.
You have eyes, but you can't use them right because you don't have good eyesight.
You got the. I saw you in the distance. Watch out, giant saws. I'm on somebody's head. Can I jump on you too?
What did you type? Quit loser?
No, I put. What did I put? I put quick cookies. I forgot. No, I saw the body. No,
Alright, if I make if I do all this, then I will do the ice bucket challenge. Never.
0 seconds. Tomorrow in the morning.
If I landed on this one, then
You're gonna go when you upload. Yay! Let's do this. What? No! Titan, where are you? Where are you? I'm with girl.
where is he?
What stage are you on?
8.
On the poop tiles?
Well,
Still on that? I see you! Hello! Oh, I died!
me too.
Ow! Wait a second.
Are you on the muddy hills?
I'm on the poop rocks.
No.
Some guys flying.
It's gonna take me as long as the other one because I'm really bad at this game.
Of course you are. Alright, now I'm gonna try not to screw this up. Get it? Because I'm gonna nuts and bolts and screw this one. Oh, and I died. And I
You're really bad at puns.
Corkscrew. No, that looked like a giant balloon. Where are you, poopy butt?
Wait, Joe, where are you?
Move here. I'm jumping.
This is the easiest level.
See, look. I didn't even die. See? See? Oh. One kill. I will spawn. It looks pretty hard. Oh. See, don't play. Oy. Oy.
Die.
Oy, oy. Give me a free sample of Shrek. These 3 bites on the table. Oh, first try.
No.
Second try.
No. Oh, I went through the hole.
Dang! I'm so good at this. I didn't even have to do a little cheat thing. Ah, look.
A cheater.
I'm not a cheater. Cheater, banana eater. Cheater, pumpkin eater. Yellow. It's the middle one.
If I die, no shout out. Shout out. Shout out to Yellowman 3 aka Egg.
Yeah, it's that one. It's that one. I think. And then the last one is the all the way on the left. Oh, I'm on the skinny bar. Yeah, you made it. Oh.
You liar!
Oh. No, it's all the way down. Boop.
It's the middle.
Boop. Now I gotta restart. I kind of deserve that.
I think middle again.
No, it's the right. Yeah,
Which one are you on?
I'm on this one.
Oh, you stink.
I'm up here. Don't you say I stink. The losers stink. Look, that stinks. Oh, look, a giant poop. A giant poop. You see the poop?
Nope.
It's over there. It's
I
to
can't
the
see
right.
if I don't have eyes.
It's to the
Oh,
right.
never mind. I do.
Do you see the poo poo? I want to eat it. I want to put it in a pie.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Was that you?
What?
There was some guy who fell off.
Do you see some guy with bacon hair?
Yep. Good morning. See some guy with blue with hair?
Yeah. Ah, what am I?
What are you? It looks like you hit it nuts. Let's go. Ah, you're running. That's the wee wee end. Giant blueprints.
Oh, we're supposed to avoid the white stuff.
Oh, I got you.
Let's see what they're trying to build, a house. Why are they trying to build a house in the middle of nowhere?
Trying to build a house.
It's gonna be like those horror movies, or they die because their house is far away from the cop station. Wait,
Yeah.
where do I go? Oh, right here.
They're like what's it called? They're like I forgot what I was gonna say. Ah!
Oh, I'm on
So
the
you can step on that.
step on. Oh,
Oh, I forgot to get the checkpoint.
Candy died.
Oh wait, never mind. I got it. Oh no,
Oh,
I fell. What? I fell back down here. Yeah, you ball. Yeah. Oh. I will destroy every. Hey, sup, bacon poop? I thought you could get on that.
you could get on the great thing.
No, you cannot. I jumped over it, but it didn't work. Yo. It's gonna be a long one.
I'm gonna end it here. I like him.
That's him.